Hey guys, well, I'm going to be doing that conversion today. Hopefully it works. And this rainy day out here. And this is what we're going to be looking at today. Oops, I already sprayed this stuff on it. Sanitizer. It's only like 3,000 more than what's on mine. But I did want this part right here. Yeah, whatever. And I already took this tarp off and stuff. Huh. So that's what went in those on as an option, okay. There's mine right there. 85. This was off of a 94 S10 Blazer right here. And yes, this one's a 5 on the floor. Oops. Alright. There might be a possibility that there might be a series video for this right here. Because, well, there's not a lot of space on my phone right now. So, alright. Yep, there it is right here. Alright, let's start. Oh shit. Oh, well, I guess I won't be able to do it that way. To do this, we have to take all this stuff off. I'm doing it with you right now to see if it's actually possible to do this or not, because I've never done it. But I did have the cluster out before. So. Come on, get up there. And yes, I'm going to be keeping all these parts too for it. Well, because it's all original. I'm going to get that screw out right there. And then that one right there. To get to it. Same on the other side, but it's going to be harder because of the controls. Alright, this will continue on to the next video.